Here I've got Philips X818 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll a bit down, find and select fingerprint, and then choose the backup to your fingerprint, so you can pick either pattern, pin code or password. I will pick the pattern. Now draw the unlock pattern, it can be a letter, then click on continue, draw it one more time to confirm, click on confirm, and you've just set up the backup to your fingerprint. Now decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or if you want to see them at all, and this is what I will choose, and then click on done. And now it's time to enter a fingerprint, so select the hand, so it will be for example thumb, and got it. And now place your fingerprint in the sensor, which is here, so it's the home button. I have to take off the phone from the box, and now just move your finger, lift it up and put it to the sensor to read all the edges. It just may take a few more seconds, and that's it. As you can see, fingerprint is added successfully. Click on next and then tap on finish. So from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. As you can see, simply tap on the sensor to unlock your phone. And that's it. Obviously you can use also the backup pattern, so if you will borrow someone your phone, he or she will be able to unlock it with this backup pattern. And that would be all. This is how you can add a fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.